Severe pain, my fingers are turning red.
Actually?
Oh no. But yeah, they are. But not really. It's another hot one, and we are gonna get started on the subfloor today. So we have plywood, we have the foam, putting all that down, but we want to focus on where we're stopping in the front and stopping in the back of the bus. The subfloor is not going to go all the way to the back of the bus or the front of the bus. It's going to stop right up here in the front of the bus. So there's going to be a captain's chair here and a captain's chair here. And then at the back of the bus, we're going to stop it at this line because we're going to have a little garage back here. Right, so we're going to work on the front of the bus, focus on the front with the foam, and work our way back. So this is the foam that I picked up. It's an 1.5 inch. It's 1 1/2 inch foam. We're gonna put that down. We're gonna put some sealant down on the floor before, and then put the foam down. And then after that, we're gonna make sure that we just make our way back to the back of the bus. And then we're gonna start from the back of the bus and then work our way forward with all of the plywood so that our seams from our plywood do not line up with the foam. It'd be great if I had some help. This is the heavy stuff, so. For the first piece, we measured inside the width of the bus, and then we measured that. 38. Or no, 28, 38. 28, 38. Can you remember that? Six and a half, 18 and a half. Can you remember that? Chris? And I'm going to use some chalk to make a line. And we're just going to use the circular saw to cut it. And I'm just measuring the width. That's how we put the first piece in. Oh no, that's not good. Severe pain, my fingers are turning red.
Actually?
Oh no. But yeah, they are. But not really. So I'm using these screws that are, so you can see them, they're like 2 5/8. And that way they can go through the 1/2 inch plywood, the 1 1/2 inch foam, and then into the metal floor underneath. Now I did put some extra foam along the sides here, the spray foam here and in here, and then as well as right here. I wasn't sure how far to go over, and also it's angled, so the easiest thing right here was just to put the foam, the spray foam in there. Alright, so the foam board is down and the plywood is down. We used, foam board was 1.5 inches like I said, and the OBS plywood was 19/32. And the reason for that is because around the stairs right here is there's 2 inch by 2 inch square stock, and then the stairs rest on there, so I wanted to make sure that the plywood is even with the lip of the stairs on the top right here. So making sure that's all good. In the front of the bus, we made sure that we followed this line. Ahead of that is going to be automotive carpet with automotive insulation, and then sound deadening mat underneath that. So that's gonna be quiet up there, it doesn't really need insulation. But as far as the rest of the bus, all of this is finally done. We have all the sheets down, and we have an extra sheet of the foam board, so we're gonna be starting the walls with that. But floor is done, and that's what we wanted to accomplish today. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.